us, the London Boat Show is all about people. It is quite different. Most exhibitions we do are business to business, but this is about boat owners that are coming to us with the needs that they've got on their own personal boats, and so you have to understand what those are, and for us, A.S.A.P supplies fulfill that absolutely. They have such a breadth of experience in the marine market. Every day they're dealing with boat owners that have particular problems that they have learned over the years how to solve. And for us, that individual attention, that knowledge of what the boat owner is particularly bothered about works perfectly. They can apply Raycore products exactly where they're needed from anywhere all over the world.
We're here today as it gives us a great opportunity to meet our customers face to face. A.S.A.P selling so many products, we have 20,000 products, and it's very hard to display all our products at the show. So we have broken it down to 4 simple sections. We have engine, fuel, water and electrics. We work with Raycore, and it's a fantastic opportunity to really show the filtration that the customer might need. Raycore is a quality product, and it's very important that when a customer walks away from the show, that they know that the type of filter that they're getting is going to really do the job. Working with Raycore is fantastic. We have 2 guys that are on stand every day, and to be able to share and experience their knowledge really helps in terms of speaking to the customers. Customer service is the most important thing at A.S.A.P, and being at the show is fantastic to be able to meet them and engage with them face to face and really kind of find out how we are really working with them in terms of getting them on the water.
Their knowledge of the market and the boat owners whose main concern is the maintenance, repair and overhaul of their boats is ideal. They can use Raycore products to solve the filtration problems and deliver to the customer exactly what they want.